Vines, which is a completely unique skate shop, I believe. You'd describe it, would you, Paul?
It is, yes, skate shop.
Yeah, in Solihull. And this is where people can not only come to shop and just buy bits and pieces, they can actually get advice from you, is that correct?
Yeah, of course, anyone that wants any advice just starting out skating or starting out surfing, more than happy to come and see us. We're all very knowledgeable, been skating, surfing for 20 odd years, so got plenty of advice we can dish out if people need it.
Yeah.
We've seen a big uptake in skating during the lockdown. Lots of young people, boys and girls, started skating. So we've sold quite a lot of complete skateboards. So we've got plenty to offer, and if anyone needs any advice to say, we're always here to help.
Should we have a look at some of the skateboards? Because I think they're looking so fantastic.
Your deck, your trucks, your wheels, already all built up. Those start at around about £50 in store, and then we do what's called a setup, which is where you build it all from scratch yourself. So you pick a deck, you pick your wheels and your trucks and your bearings, and then we'll put that all together for you for free in the store. We do skateboards which come in mini size, which is usually around about a 7.25 inch deck, which can be from people from 8 years old. So anything from that kind of age upwards we can cater for, and then obviously we go to your full adult size boards.
And so obviously the main part of skating is to look the part. You've got to look the part.
That's definitely part of it, yeah. Obviously people have a
it's that brand,
very specific style, definitely. One of our main brands here is a brand called Rip and Dip. That's an American skate brand.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, that's their little mascot, Lord Normal, that we do really well with the Rip and Dip in store. They do both clothing and they do the hardware as well. So you can get decks from Rip and Dip.
Oh, right.
That's one that does really well for us. One of our other main sellers, another American skate company called Puff.
Cute, yeah.
We do really well with that brand too. It's a very big company.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice and light, is it?
Yeah, it is. It's a nice lightweight fleece. That's by Levi's skateboarding now, so that's another nice fleece.
Yeah. And what sort of cost would that be?
That's £60, that one is.
That's okay.
Yeah, really good value. The Levi's stuff tends to be really good value. So like the fleece and the big thick plaid shirts, they're £60 as well. Really good quality.
They do feel warm.
The good quality you'd expect from Levi's. It's their skateboarding collection. It's
fabulous.
Really good for them.
Edge away from sort of high street clothing, doesn't it?
Definitely.
I love that. I mean, even things like the last piece of art. Aren't they?
Definitely. Yeah. You
love
can see there's.
So Paul, tell us a bit about the shoes as well, because I believe you can only get these in Solihull, can't you? This brand.
Yeah, we're the sole stockist of skate shoes brands Lakai and Stray. Real core skate shoes that no one else around the area will be doing. Really, really good for skating in. Obviously, you can see they've obviously got very, very skate specific features on them. The kind of the cup sole and the soft footbeds. Really, really good and comfortable for skating, and they'll last much longer than a regular shoe would. So yeah, we're the only people around this area that will be stockists of those.
And they look really smart as well, don't they?
Yeah,
again, you're modelling a pair, are you?
Yeah, they tie in with the obviously the skate kind of style and kind of fitting with the rest of the clothing that we do.
Yeah, and on a bit more of a light-hearted note, I see you've got some Christmas socks. Do you want to show us those?
Yeah, so one of the brands that we do is called Stance Socks. Really, really good, high quality socks. They do kind of really good things for Christmas and for certain times of the year. So these ones we've got at the moment, you've got the Elf ones from the Will Ferrell film, and the Grinch socks as well. Make really, really good Christmas presents for people.
Yeah. And I did just point out that's the softest pair of socks I've ever felt.
Yeah, super soft.
Super soft, aren't
really
they?
Comfortable.
How much are the socks, Paul?
The Grinch ones are £15 and the Elf ones are £16.
Fabulous. Okay, yeah, they're going under people's trees, I would imagine. And we're also going to do a bit of an offer, aren't we? So on the Saturday that this video will go live, but the Saturday after that, the first person to come in and say that they've seen Shop Solihull, seen us here, what is it that you'd like to give to?
We're going to do one of our Thrasher hats, so you can have a choice of the colours.
Oh, great.
So you do Thrasher, obviously one of the biggest, most well-known skate brands in the world, Thrasher. It's a skateboard magazine, so you can get over the maroon, the black, or the grey, and that's the Thrasher beanie there. So
brilliant!
On for the colder days and nights.
Ideal, isn't it? So I think the message I would say is, I know it's this time of year, it's all year round, we know that, you hear all the time, you've got a website. Absolutely. But I think actually if people are thinking we're coming to the end of October now, thinking about Christmas shopping, this has got to be an ideal spot for people having something unique. you know, something that people will open and be really excited about. And again, if they are looking at home exercise and getting out there and doing stuff, then I think this is the way forward, isn't it? And also looks really cool at the same time.
Yeah,
So,
we think so.
Okay, well thanks Paul,
Thank
we wish
you.
you all the best, and get in here, get shopping.